We're now going to answer a specific question, and that is to find the mean salary for the 5 highest paid employees per department. So I want to get the 5 highest paid employees for the police department, find the average salary, do the same thing for all of the other departments. So this is a custom aggregation function. So let me go ahead and define it. So top 5 mean, I'll just call it that. It's going to accept a series. And so I'm going to return a single value. I need to get the top 5 values. So n largest. So this is a series. You have to remember your series methods. And then I just want to take the mean of that. So that will return a single value. And then I can just use my normal group by. And I'm going to group by department. And I'm going to aggregate salary. I'm going to use this alternative syntax, a little bit less typing, top 5 mean, like this. And there you go. So this is the mean of the top 5 salaries in that department. So we can, let's just go ahead and try to verify one of these. I like to do this to just make sure the logic is sound. So for the library department, I'm going to get the salary column. So there's the just salaries for the library. And I'm going to get n largest of 5. So there they are. There's the 5 largest salaries. And then take the mean, and I should get the same number. So 131,823, and there you go. All right, so that is a different custom aggregation function, the mean salary of the top 5 largest salaries in a specific department.